Corinaldi Avenue Primary from St. James comes up against Goshen Primary from St. Elizabeth. The Team Talk. Referred to as a university in the West, they are all-rounders coming to demonstrate their academic prowess and their unity.
What I like about my team is that they are very competitive. We had to channel that competitiveness into a team spirit. But they are eager to learn and they're always willing to do whatever we ask them to do.
We are like family, because if one person doesn't understand something would help that person, and then we would all get together and then just play our part.
Their opponents, Goshen Primary, have taken to the stage and are ready to get the quest underway.
So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Corinaldi Avenue Primary won. They decided that they will play first. So with 4 minutes on the clock, Corinaldi, we begin with Bible knowledge. What is the second commandment?
Thou shalt not commit false witness.
Incorrect. Thou shalt make no idols. Goshen, Bible knowledge. What is the fifth commandment?
Honor thy father and thy mother.
Correct. Corinaldi Avenue Science. What name is given to the male part of the plant?
Stamen.
Correct. Science, Goshen. What name is given to the female part of the plant?
Pistil.
Judges? Correct. Corinaldi, Jamaican Affairs. What is Jamaica's national flower?
Lignum vitae.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs to you, Goshen. What is Jamaica's national tree?
The blue maho.
Correct. Corinaldi, English language. What is meant by the expression, back to the drawing board?
Have a new start.
Correct. English language to you, Goshen. What is meant by the expression, cut to the chase?
Get to the point.
Correct. Corinaldi, general knowledge. What is the capital of the American state of Texas?
Holland.
Incorrect. Austin, general knowledge. Goshen. What is the capital of the American state of California? The question passes to Corinaldi. Would you like to try?
No, sir.
Sacramento. Still with you, Corinaldi, social studies. On a relief map, what does an area colored brown normally represent?
Land.
Incorrect. A mountain. Social studies to Goshen. On a relief map, what does an area colored green normally represent?
Vegetation.
Incorrect. A lowland area or plain. Corinaldi, mathematics. If 685 equals 6y plus 80 plus 5, what is the value of y?
100.
Correct. Mathematics to you, Goshen. If 415 equals 295 plus 3x, what is the value of x? The question passes. Corinaldi, would you like to try?
No, sir. No, sir.
The answer is 40. Corinaldi is still with you. Sports. What card does a referee show to a player in football to indicate his immediate removal from the game?
Red card, red card. Red card.
Correct. Sports to you, Goshen. In a single football game, how many yellow cards will result in a player being shown a red and then have to leave the field?
2.
Correct. Corinaldi, Jamaican Affairs. What does the Jamaican word picnic mean?
Child.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, Goshen. What does the Jamaican word sus mean?
Shut up.
Incorrect. Gossip. Corinaldi Sports. What is the other name for a score of 40 all in a lawn tennis game?
A draw.
Incorrect. A deuce. Sports to you, Goshen. In a women's Grand Slam tennis tournament, how many sets are needed to win a match?
14.
Incorrect. 2. And that is the end of section 1.
8 questions were posed. Corinaldi attempted all, while Goshen attempted 7. Corinaldi has the edge with a 1-point lead. Scoreline reads Corinaldi Avenue Primary 6, Goshen Primary 5.